The Wolfcraft Keyhole Saw is designed for making precise cuts in drywall and other board materials. It features a 5mm drill tip for easy plunging and a circumferentially toothed shank for quick, clean cuts. The ergonomic two-component handle ensures comfortable use. Its compact design makes it ideal for small recesses and free-form cuts. Perfect for both professional tradespeople and various projects requiring detailed cutting. Alroc offers a range of cable preparation tools designed for efficient and accurate cable preparation in various applications. Known for their quality and durability, these tools are popular among electricians and technicians. Key features include precision cutting with sharp, durable blades, adjustable settings for different cable sizes, and ergonomic designs for comfort. Alroc tools, such as cable strippers, wire cutters, and crimping tools, provide versatility for reliable connections. Overall, they ensure efficient preparation while maintaining ease of use and long-lasting performance. The Altrex Shuttle lift system is a versatile platform lift designed for easy access to elevated areas like lofts or attics. It features a vertical lift mechanism and a compact design, making it suitable for various spaces. With multiple platform sizes and robust safety features, including emergency stops and overload protection, it ensures secure operation. The system enhances accessibility, eliminates the need for stairs, and can be customized to fit specific requirements. Overall, the Altrex shuttle lift system is an efficient solution for improving mobility in homes and commercial settings. The Makita XSA01 is a powerful, cordless, high-speed blower inflator from Makita's LXT line of 18-volt tools. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers up to 447 miles per hour of air velocity for efficient debris removal and comes with 4 digitally controlled speeds for adjustable airflow. The compact design and rubberized soft grip make it easy to handle and store, while 5 included nozzles accommodate various applications like cleaning, inflation, and drying. Overall, the Makita XSA01 is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile and powerful cordless blower inflator. The MakaGiC VS01. Intelligent Electric Vise is an innovative tool that enhances productivity for DIYers and makers. It features a powerful electric motor for effortless clamping and releasing of workpieces, ensuring precise control over clamping force. Users can adjust the force as needed, while a wireless remote control allows for operation from a distance. The digital display provides real-time feedback on clamping force, and the swivel base offers 360-degree rotation for added versatility. Its compact design makes it suitable for various applications, from woodworking to electronics. Overall, the VS01 is a valuable tool that improves efficiency and precision in any workshop. The Shur-line pour and store lid is a reusable paint can lid designed to simplify the pouring process and reduce mess. It features a built-in spout for controlled pouring, minimizing spills and drips. This durable lid creates an airtight seal when closed, helping to keep paint fresh and preventing it from drying out. Easy to install and compatible with most standard paint cans, it enhances convenience for any painting project. By reducing cleanup time and protecting surfaces from stains, this lid not only preserves paint, but also offers an environmentally friendly alternative to disposable options. The Stihl 3-in-1 sharpening tool is designed for sharpening a variety of handheld garden tools, including axes, secateurs, and knives. It features 3 different sharpening blades, allowing you to sharpen multiple tools with one device. The durable diamond-sharpened blades ensure long-lasting performance, while the ergonomic design offers comfortable handling. Its straightforward sharpening process makes it user-friendly for all skill levels. Overall, this tool enhances the performance and longevity of your gardening equipment. The Bilt Hard Peat Moss Spreader is designed for efficiently distributing peat moss over large areas, enhancing soil drainage and moisture retention. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable gardening tool. With adjustable settings, you can control the amount of peat moss dispensed for consistent coverage. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, providing comfort during use. Overall, this spreader is essential for improving soil health and promoting healthy plant growth. The Bow Products Push Pro PP1 is a high-quality push stick designed specifically for use with table saws, enhancing safety and precision during cuts. It features high-density EVA tips that improve feed control and protect both the wood and the user from potential injuries. The non-marring design ensures that even soft woods remain unscathed, maintaining their integrity under high tension. Additionally, the replaceable and reversible tips extend the product's life, while the comfortable grip allows for precise control. Overall, the Push Pro PP1 is an essential tool for woodworkers seeking reliability and performance. The Bullseye Bore Core is an innovative tool designed to enhance the accuracy and precision of your drilling projects. It projects circular patterns onto your work surface, providing real-time feedback to ensure your drill bit is perfectly aligned. This tool guarantees straight holes every time, eliminating guesswork and potential errors, while its versatile design works on all surfaces and in any orientation. With its user-friendly interface, even beginners can use it with ease, and its durable construction ensures long-term performance and value. Overall, the Bullseye Bore Core is an essential accessory for anyone looking to improve their drilling accuracy. The Walcom Evo 360 mask is a high-quality, reusable face mask specifically designed for professional airbrush artists, providing exceptional protection and comfort. It effectively guards against airborne particles such as paint pigments and dust, ensuring a clean working environment. The mask features a comfortable and adjustable fit that guarantees a secure seal while maintaining breathability. With a durable design that allows for easy cleaning and reuse, it minimizes waste and saves money. Additionally, its dual cartridge system ensures optimal filtration, making the Walcom Evo 360 mask an essential tool for any serious airbrush artist. The Curax Premium Ultrasonic Cutter is a high-precision tool that employs ultrasonic technology to deliver clean, precise cuts in various materials, making it ideal for delicate fabrics and leather. Its advanced cutting method prevents fraying and distortion, ensuring quality results every time. The cutter is versatile enough to handle fabrics, foam, and some plastics, enhancing its utility across different projects. Designed for efficiency, it offers adjustable cutting depth for different material thicknesses and features an ergonomic design for comfortable use. With its durable construction and quiet operation, the Curax Premium Ultrasonic Cutter is an excellent choice for any cutting task. The Winkler PDF System 2.0 is an advanced insulation system designed to enhance the efficiency of radiant heating systems, particularly in underfloor heating applications. It effectively reduces heat loss from pipes, ensuring that warmth is efficiently delivered to living spaces. With an easy installation process, it minimizes disruption and is compatible with various radiant heating systems, making it suitable for both new and existing setups. This cost-effective solution not only boosts energy efficiency, but also promises durability for long-term performance. Overall, the Winkler PDF System 2.0 is an excellent choice for optimizing radiant heating systems in homes and buildings. The Kreg 720 Pro is a premium pocket hole jig designed for woodworking enthusiasts seeking strong, hidden joints with ease. It features Automax dual action clamping, which automatically adjusts to your material's thickness, saving time and effort. The one-motion clamping system ensures quick and precise positioning, while the docking station enhances workpiece support and provides built-in storage. Integrated dust collection ports help keep your workspace clean, and the adjustable stop base allows customization for various projects. With its user-friendly design and durable construction, the Kreg 720 Pro is suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Overall, it combines speed, accuracy, and versatility, making it an essential addition to any workshop. The Ameristep Step-Up Tree Step is an affordable tree climbing accessory designed for hunters and outdoor enthusiasts. It features a spacious 4-inch step area and a robust 750-pound weight capacity, ensuring a secure footing for users of all sizes. Installation is a breeze with a self-tapping 2-inch screw that requires no tools, while its compact design makes it easy to carry and store. This versatile step enhances accessibility to hunting stands and elevated locations, making it ideal for various outdoor activities. Overall, the Ameristep Step-Up Tree Step is a reliable and budget-friendly option for safe tree climbing. The Titan Spray Roller combines the efficiency of spraying with the precision of rolling for seamless painting. This innovative tool allows you to spray paint onto surfaces and immediately backroll with a roller cover, ensuring even coverage while minimizing overspray. It operates up to 4 times faster than traditional rolling, providing consistent mill thickness for superior results. Compatible with all standard 9-inch roller covers, the Titan Spray Roller is versatile and user-friendly, requiring minimal training to operate. Overall, it's an essential tool for large projects and tight spaces where precision matters. The Cyklop CMT 250 is a battery-powered plastic strapping hand tool engineered for efficient packaging applications. It accommodates 9, 12, and 16 PET straps and can generate a tension force of up to 2,500 newtons. Featuring a lightweight design, it offers fully automatic, semi-automatic, and manual modes for versatile operation. With a lithium-ion battery that reaches 70% charge in about 20 minutes, it ensures quick readiness, ideal for various applications, including industrial packaging and logistics. The CMT 250 is built for durability and user-friendly operation, making it suitable for users at all skill levels. The Ballantyne Gear Evoque is a non-penetrating anchorage connector specifically designed for residential-style sloped roofs on commercial and single-dwelling structures. Also known as the eave hook, it requires no nails or screws for installation, ensuring the integrity of the roof while providing secure anchorage. This versatile connector is suitable for various applications, including single-family homes, condos, and apartment complexes. The Evoque is intended for use in accordance with the specifications outlined in the Ballantyne Gear Evoque System Technical Manual, making it a reliable choice for safety and compliance in roofing projects. The Elephant's Trunk 3 is an ergonomic harness by GTM Professional, designed to alleviate fatigue and back pain during hedge trimming tasks. Worn like a backpack, it promotes optimal ventilation for enhanced comfort during use. With adjustable shoulder and hip straps, the harness accommodates a wide range of body types, ensuring a personalized fit. Its innovative design allows for extended use without discomfort, making it ideal for both professional landscapers and home gardeners. Overall, the Elephant's Trunk 3 enhances productivity while prioritizing user comfort. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.